Okay, so like, what's up, shorties, right? So today is my day off, and I can't really just sit around and do nothing on my day off. This is when I find time to work on my car. And today I figured I'd remove the sound deadening from my car. I've been wanting to get rid of this shit for like a year now, and I guess today I'm finally gonna do it. So let's go hit up Walmart and buy some dry ice, a bucket, and some alcohol, and let's get to it. Right, yeah, so I'm only 5'9", and I found a bucket, but it was on the top shelf, so I got this pole to reach it. Yikes. Oh, shit. Fuck. Yeah, so because the bucket broke, I switched to this metal bowl. And what I'm doing right here is I'm smashing the dry ice and pouring the isopropyl alcohol onto it to make it like a slushy kind of paste thing, which is the consistency that you want. And the alcohol, it makes like a chemical reaction, and it makes the dry ice even colder. Yeah, so you could hear the crackling noise, and that crackling noise is the sound deadening actually lifting off of the metal, of the sheet metal. And once you hear that crackling noise stop, that means that the sound deadening is ready to just literally lift off, and you will see that. Whoa. It's like I'm a mad scientist, dude. Freaking cool. Yeah, so here it is, all finished. Zero sound deadening left in the car. It's all completely removed, and I know it looks kind of ugly, but I'm gonna fix it in the future. So I just ran to Home Depot and I bought this Velcro tape because my idea is, right, so I have these OEM Integra DA9 floor mats, right? They cost me like $300, I think. I bought them like a year ago. Anyways, my idea is to put these here so that way it makes it look a little bit nicer. I don't know, I really like, it's kind of like a show-off piece, you know? Like, look, I got the OEM floor mats. So I didn't show any video of me doing it, but it's really easy. It's just Velcro tape, you know, it's sticky on one side, Velcro on the other. So it's actually late at night now, and I already did everything, and just want to say, would I recommend anybody to do this? I would not recommend doing this. The only reason why I'm doing it is I would recommend this if you have the same reason as me, and that reason is that I'm going to be racing this spring at Sonoma or Laguna Seca, you know, and that's the ultimate goal with this car, to be doing time attack. So if you have that same goal as me, then yes, this is definitely worth it. So there's 2 bags worth of it right here, and when I put it in one hand, right, and I grab my dumbbell over here, my kettlebell, and I put, it's on the 20-pound setting right now. It feels like 20 pounds, dude. It really does. Like, I'm holding them both. It's like pretty much the same, or I feel like it's like 17 pounds. It's close to 20. Anyways, yeah. Subscribe and like and comment.